of this year. And we are starting this relay, going into relay with over $170,000 already raised. Now the kids are going to get ready with the Survivor Lab. And is everybody ready to relay?
1, 2, 3, go! Hey!
Two guys are part of why we relay. Our money goes towards research, education, advocacy, and services. These two are two of our recipients that go to Chico State that received a scholarship from us last year.
Our booth is our Chico State Mission Delivery booth. We take some aspect of American Cancer Society's support services, or the family support services, or the research, or all the different things that American Cancer Society does, and highlight it. If everybody on campus just gave $1 once for 1 month, just once during the month, on campus, that's every student, every administrator, every faculty member, every staff member, we could raise $17,000 right there. How easy is that? Who doesn't have $1 at one point once during the month that they could spare? I think we can do it.